In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Firefox for a more comfortable browsing experience, especially in low light conditions. For this, click on 3 horizontal bar at top right corner. Next, click on Settings. You will find yourself in General. Scroll down until you reach Language and Appearance. Under Website Appearance, just select Dark Theme as shown here. You can see Dark Theme in action. Now you can visit any website including YouTube, you will find dark theme applied everywhere. In this way we enable dark mode in Firefox. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.